Hello, how are you guys doing? And I will do this really quick. I'm going to share the unboxing of this new Louis Vuitton backpack. For some reason, I have been into backpacks lately. My lifestyle had changed from big bags to easy carry backpack. Okay, let's do this real quick. Okay, sorry about that, guys. It's a big box. So here it is from Louis Vuitton. A nice ribbon, nicely packed. Here's the receipt. Okay, let's get to it. They gave me a big box. Too many boxes here, guys. Let me use this one. So, I have this dust bag. Oops. It's upside down. And here it is. The Montsouris monogram backpack. Here's the detail of it. Here's the front. And this is gonna be interesting because in the other review they talk about this sideways attachment of this strap. Normally it's vertical, so this one is a little bit horizontally slanted. And the Palm Springs backpack has PM has thick straps. The BB size has that leather strap similar to this one, only it's black. So I'm always attracted the way how the vachetta leather patina in time. So that's why I got attracted with this backpack. And there's that, where it's made from. And here's the bottom. So this is not a continuous leather. It has patch of the bottom without feet. And I will be interesting to find out how will this work. But this handle here and the long strap supposed to go under here, so when you use this on the backpack it is not laying on your back, so it's up, so it's not interfering like this. So this is not the ideal situation of this strap. It has to be on top of this, so I have to carefully remove and reattach this strap. So the leather seems pretty thick as always, and the craftsmanship of the stitching of the thread. So let's get inside. And some people talk about how will this be easy to open and close. So So here is the inside, and like they say, the microfiber is attached to the canvas. So the disadvantage of that is you cannot replace the lining inside when it becomes dirty down the road. So here's the drawstring with the leather tab. And here's the booklet that came with it. For those who's interested, that's the Montsouris new model. And only one pocket inside. And that's how deep it is. So it's like 10 inches. I grabbed this tape measure here. And it is 11 inches. So there it is. The new model Montsouris backpack. This is a perfect size for me because I don't carry too much stuff, and this is not gonna be a backpack for me. I'm gonna use this as a purse backpack, like another YouTuber is talking about. So here it is. And as a reference, I'm a 5'2", and they put it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes to adjust the strap, the length of the strap. So and it has a big round gold ring to attach the straps. I don't know if it's gonna be awkward to hold your bag like this, and oh, okay, so well, the straps are just curled up like that. So I will not be carrying it like this because I mainly bought this for as a reason as a backpack. So when you put it on your shoulder like this is how the strap gonna look like. So anyway, here it is, the new model Montsouris backpack. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.